And the race is on. Queen Alicia from the outside. Berswala Unlaan Musashi. And moving up by Daral is the outstanding favorite. And this one is Shining Armor. Berswa Shining Armor is running by Daral from the outside. Is Queen Alicia La Unlaan. Running down on the inside is Owaki Musashi and Defiant. Shining Armor is now the leader. Berswa in second. And racing in third is Owaki Musashi, Launlaan, Queen Alicia, and Defiant. And nearing the far turn, it's still Shining Armor by Alencana, followed by Berswa. Queen Alicia is running in third by some 2 lengths alongside is Launlaan. As they race towards the last 500, Shining Armor by Anek. Berswa is on the outside as they race the final corner. Shining Armor this time by about 2 lengths. Berswa still running in second. Queen Alicia Launlaan. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Shining Armor this time by about 2 lengths. And finally, the icebreaker Shining Armor Berswa took second. Then comes Queen Alicia, Launlaan, Musashi, Defiant, Owaki, and Len Len.